I'm back, baby. And today I'm gonna do something I've always been scared of.
Just leave it open and cut them and stick them out.
So these first feathers, these longer feathers, are their flight feathers. They're primary feathers, and these back here, they're secondary feathers. I'm gonna cut just one wing of their primary feathers. So it's like a haircut, and then you just tuck them back under and you don't even know. That was a workout. Have you ever tried to catch chickens that didn't want to be caught? Yeah, that was our workout for the day.
Please stop. Okay. Here, take these, please.
Who wants water? Who wants water?
Who wants water?
Who wants water? Who wants water?
Most of our chickens have molted or are finishing up their molt, which is whenever you want to cut their wings, because that's when their new feathers are coming in. And they say you should only have to do it once a year after their molt, but I probably would check it several times, like at least 2 or 3, once a quarter maybe, just to check on them. Now we do have 6-foot high fences, but our gates, I believe, are only 4 feet high. So that's why we really wanted to clip their wings. Especially, we have some stuff moved to the side from the garden boxes that they could perch up on and then fly onto the fence. And we don't want any chickens crossing this main street out here or bothering our neighbors. We have kept them in the coop because we had a bad experience with our first chicken that we ever got. If you remember the video, if not, I'll link it up here. Hair in my mouth. The chicken was taken from us right in front of a hawk, but this area is pretty shaded from some trees, so I'm hopeful that nothing will fly over and see them, or that they will figure with the size of them now, because that chicken was probably 7 to 8 weeks old when it was swooped up by a hawk. So I'm hoping the size of them now will scare that off. We don't have many predators that I would think, besides like a possum and a raccoon and a squirrel maybe, because we're in a neighborhood area. It's been a week since we started free ranging our chickens. They put themselves, well, most of them put themselves in the coop at night. The first night we did have to corral about 3 or 4, but ever since then they've put themselves up. We just go out here and shut the door, and I think everyone's happy. We've kept all 22. We even had a neighbor put a note in our mailbox, which I'm pretty sure is illegal, saying that she cried when she saw the chickens were set free. Also, like I've said, we did not free range them because we had a bad experience with our first chicken, and we didn't have fencing until recently. We didn't have the gates up, so we wouldn't have had a way to keep them out of neighbors' yards. But it was finally time, and I think everyone loves it. When we pull up from work or wherever we're at, they all come running to the front to greet us, hoping that they have scraps. So they are very spoiled still. That is how we have successfully free-ranged our chickens. Until next time, guys. See you later.